Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Brother printer to your laptop. First, carefully unpack your new Brother printer and remove all protective packaging materials. Connect the power cord to the printer and then to a wall outlet, ensuring it's securely plugged in. Turn on the printer using its power button and load a stack of fresh paper into the paper tray. If you're opting for a wired connection, simply use a standard USB cable to link the printer directly to an available USB port on your laptop. This sets the foundation for a smooth setup. Next, it's crucial to install the correct drivers for your Brother printer. Head over to the official Brother support website and locate the dedicated support page for your specific printer model. Download the latest full driver and software package available. Once downloaded, run the installer program. Follow the clear, step-by-step on-screen prompts, making sure to select your preferred connection type, whether it's USB or a network connection, when prompted. This step ensures your laptop can properly communicate with your printer. For a wireless connection, begin by putting your printer into its wireless setup mode, which is usually done through its control panel or display. On your laptop, open Settings, then navigate to Bluetooth and Devices, and select Printers and Scanners. Click the Add a Device button and wait for your Brother printer to appear in the list of available devices. Select your printer and follow any subsequent prompts to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. This allows for convenient printing without cables. Finally, let's test your connection and address any potential issues. Print a test page from your laptop to confirm everything is working correctly. If printing doesn't work, first check the printer's display for any error messages, which can provide valuable clues. For wireless setups, ensure both your laptop and printer are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If problems persist, a simple restart of both your printer and laptop can often resolve minor glitches. You should now be ready to print.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.